RT photojournalists Lauren Wyan in Boynton Beach and Nicholas Abrams in Orlando are bringing us the sights and sounds as those in Florida prepare for Hurricane Irma. Some of them are boarding up and sheltering in place, while others are fighting the traffic and fuel shortages to get far away as they can.
It's a dangerous hurricane, I'm sure about it.
Those winds are sitting at, Category 4. That'll take off anybody's roof, no matter how much you're prepared.
We don't know what to expect if we get a direct hit. It's still the biggest storm I've ever seen.
Yeah, we're still open. We're probably going to be open all Friday, and we're just going to see how it goes.
And I've been through 18 hurricanes. This is nothing new.
Worried about all of my property I left behind. I left behind a yacht, a 58-foot Hatteras. I left behind a house.
Completely bumper-to-bumper stop traffic. 4-hour trip turned into 9, 10-hour trip, so I'm still going too. I still have another 2 hours.
Just got in the cars and started driving. Slept on the side of the road for a couple of hours and then made it this far right now.
Everybody's saying Category 5, so just to be on the safe side. I live next to a body of water and I live 2 miles away from the beach, so I felt like it was safer than sorry.